introduced premium storage options. Earlier, we have uploaded photos and videos up to 15 GB without any restrictions, but now it's restricted up to 15 GB only. If more than we are uploading, then we have to purchase plan for that. But without any purchasing the plan, how to reduce the data, we will see in this video. For more videos, please subscribe, like and share. Open any one of the account, which account you are facing the data issues, and paste this link in your search bar. I will provide this link in video description as well. Once you have opened this link, just go down, and here we have the convert existing photos and videos storage saver option. Click on the learn more. Once you have click on the learn more, one pop-up will be displayed. Here we can check this box and click on this compress existing photos and videos. While you are choosing this option without losing any data from your backup, just existing photos and videos will be compressed to the low data. Then you will free your Google account without purchasing any plans. I have already did this option. For your reference, I will show my data, how much storage was freed. See, in my Google account, it's almost completed 15 GB of data, but after click on that compress photos and videos, this much of data was freed from my Google account. For more videos, please do subscribe, like and share this YouTube page. Thank you.